So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to solve this problem. So this is the algebra problem. So as you can see, this you have given this value of x equal to 4 plus root 15. So we need to find the value of x square plus 1 by x here. So how to solve it? So this is a very simple question. So you can solve, there is a method one, like for example you can put simply value of x into like this and then you can solve, but that process is very long. So there is a very short trick for this method. So let's go. So there is a trick. So you can see the given value x equal to 4 plus root 15. Now what we can do, let's divide it. I mean, you can see, so we can write it like plus root of 15. Now simply multiply by, rationalize it, 4 minus root of 15, 4 minus root of 15. So you will get 4 minus root of 15, 144. It's going to be 4 square minus root of 15 square. So it's going to be 4 minus root of 15 and 16 minus 15. So it's going to be 4 minus root of 15 upon 1. Okay, it's going to be 4 minus root of 15. So value of 1 by x, you got this. Now simply add x plus 1 by x. You can simply add it. So you can see value of x is 4 plus root of 15 and value of 1 by x is 4 minus root of 15. So 15 will cancel out. So you will got this value 1 by x equal to 8. So we need to find x square plus 1 by x square. So you can square it, squaring both sides. So you will get x plus 1 by x square, 8 square. Okay, it's going to be x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x equal to 64. Okay, that's all. Now which implies we can write it as x square plus 1 by x square. Oh, okay, now it's going to be 64. You can see this will cancel out, x cancel out, it's going to be 2, so minus 2. So you will get the answer 62. This is a very simple process. You can see this whole process. Video is long because I'm new in this video making process, so it's taking a lot of time to. So you can see this is a question and this is the answer. This is a very simple trick, and you can also solve by long method, like for example you can put x value into this, then square it. This is a very long process. If you have free time, then you can do it, bro. That's all in this video. Also subscribe please, I need 50 subscribers.